Halloween decorations to the next level, these glowing ghost witch hats. If you're looking to add that perfect spooky touch to your yard, terrace, or even inside your home, you'll want to check these out. These decorations come in a pack of 4, and each one is painted with a spooky ghost face on both sides. What I love about these is how they seem to float in the air when you hang them up. At night, they light up and really bring that eerie Halloween atmosphere to life. The best part? These lights have 3 different flash modes. You've got fast flash, slow flash, and steady on. Just press the button, and you can easily switch between the modes to create a tense and scary vibe. Perfect for those late-night trick-or-treaters, right? And just a quick tip, don't forget to pull out the insulation sheet before using them. Each hat has its own switch, which means you can mix up the flashing rhythms. Whether you want to go all out with fast flashes or keep it steady, the control is in your hands. They're super easy to set up, whether you're hanging them in the garden, yard, or even inside. And trust me, they add that perfect scary atmosphere for Halloween parties or just decorating your home for the holiday. Now, let's talk about customer feedback. People love the brightness and the battery life of these ghost witch hats. They mention how cute and bright they are, making them a great addition to any Halloween display. Plus, the multiple light options give you plenty of flexibility with how you want to use them. Thanks for watching. I hope you'll best planning to decorate for Halloween this year. I'll see you in the next video. Happy Halloween!